Hello everyone, my name is Ashish. My student is 105576. Uh, Today talking about the proposed change of the ONEHUNGA Cafe. Here is the table of contents. Introductions. The owners Jones, Roth and Charles made the decision to transfer a music stores into ONEHUNGA Cafe back in 2014. The local restaurants serves a wide variety of food influenced by other cultures while maintaining relaxed atmospheres and staying current with coffee trends. As a result, both the workers and the customers enjoy a special sense of family. Background of cafe. ONEHUNGA is on and admire the best of our locals area, providing a warm environment for neighbors, relatives, and neighbors to meet while enjoying outstanding food and hospitality. We have earned an image for our welcoming cultures and dedicable menu items over the years. As with every business, we have meet specific challenges, increased competitions in the local eating situations, as well as changing customers' needs. We understand the importance of changing to these developments and make sure our cafe maintains an active and welcoming spots for all. In respects to these problems, we are implementing strategic adjustment to improve customer service and location of the cafe for a successful future. Proposed change and implementations. Change to the menu. We maintain our menu to include a greater range of food choice that satisfy to a variety of tastes and diets. For the purpose to maintain the freshness of our menu, items we use to clean local products. Interior change to make the space look better and updates. The seat plans have been modified to allow for different organization groups and maintaining a welcoming theme. Improved service offering. The setup of unique barista facilities for specific coffee setups. Development of customer loyalty systems that will recognize our satisfied customers. Advantage of proposed change. Improved customer service. Customers have more alternatives to select from due to a change menu and improves service goods and service meanings are more satisfied having skills. Food traffic increase. A visual environment will make the space more enjoyable and hinders creating customers in the encouraging visitors. Increasing income possibility. We expect the rise of the customers and more typical cost on each trips due to our serves to a larger variety of opinions and tastes. Here is the evidence to communicate with the internal stakeholders. And also the external stakeholders. Proposed change impact on external stakeholders. Customers are going to benefit from a large menu selections, improve the customer service and an improved environment. Their eating experience is going to be better and memorable. Suppliers. The increased menu will require greater ability of components, which is going to benefits our suppliers, increase their demand for a product. Member of the local community. A active cafe helps to active and social natures of the local community by providing as an enjoyable meeting places. The conclusions. Today we have looked into emerging proposed change at ONEHUNGA Cafe that are made to improve customer service and expand our opinions. We have already mentioned that these changes includes menu updates, inter-regulation, and expand service offering. These changes have several advantages for all stakeholders. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please.
What about changes you mentioned in letter that you sent to external stakeholders?
As you see, I mentioned the outdoor settings and some changes interior decorations.
How will you organize with the internal stakeholders about the changes you mentioned?
No? Pardon?
How will you organize with your internal stakeholders about the changes you mentioned?
Yeah, our cafe already have the best staffs who are creative, as well as well trained and mentioned about the what type of changes will happen in our cafe through the plannings. We utilize our staff's creative ideas and do a best and internal to outdoor settings.
How will the increased menu selection benefit the suppliers?
By creating the greater demand for the components and by increasing their sales and the business opportunities.
What type of business opportunities that you are talking about? Just you said this, that you are increasing the business opportunities. What type of business opportunities that you are going to increase? Just in which ways that you can increase the opportunities for your suppliers?
Customer demands.
If you can just do not answer in one single sentence, right? Just if you can explain a little bit further, just how, yes, okay, the customer demands to how they can be increased the opportunity. Just the more the customers are having the just showing the demand, that will be just you have to order more supplies from your suppliers. That will create business opportunities for them, right? Just at the same time you are expanding, your suppliers also expanding. That's how you are creating the opportunities for your suppliers, right? Right. Okay. From my end, just my question. You can talk about you said improving service offerings, right? As a part of a change. You mentioned that you are improving the service offerings, and just there you mentioned just a unique barista facility for specific coffee setup. Can you explain a little bit further on this? Just can you go back to your proposed changes and implementation slide? Yes, just I'm talking about the last change you are suggesting here, right? Just use there you talk about the set up a unique barista facility for specific coffee setup. What does that means? This these your proposed changes, Ashish? You should be able to explain. No idea. Okay, right. Thank you, Ashish. Thanks for your attempt.